Thompson, and today we're planting sugar snap peas. Okay, so I like to start my peas off as transplants and then transfer them into the ground. So I've gotten 4 little pots here, and I filled them 3/4 of the way full with all-purpose, all-natural potting soil. I have my little pea seeds. I'm going to place 2 in each pot. And I know this is small and close together, but when you transplant them into the ground, you can separate them and space them as needed. So after I've placed them into my pot, like so, I'm going to cover them the rest of the way with the same potting soil. And then you'll want to make sure that these get adequate water and plenty of light. And when they're, I'd say 2 to 3 inches tall, you can plant them into the ground. Now, peas love to climb and cling to things, so I always like to put my peas on a wall with a trellis on it or with stakes and string on them so they have plenty of stuff to cling to as they grow. And that is how you plant sugar snap peas. Thank you for watching.